How to fix the right-click menu if it's not working in Windows 11. First, try a quick restart of Windows Explorer. Press Control, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, find Windows Explorer. Right-click it and choose Restart. Once Windows Explorer restarts, test the right-click menu again to see if the issue has been resolved. If it's still not working, press Windows plus I to open Settings. Then go to System, Troubleshoot, and Other Troubleshooters. Run any available troubleshooters that relate to your hardware or system if applicable. Next, check for Windows Updates. Open Settings, select Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Installing the latest updates can fix bugs that affect the context menu. If the problem started after installing a third-party app, try restarting your PC in a clean boot or uninstalling the recently installed software to see if it resolves the issue. That's it. Those are the most effective ways to fix the right-click menu not working in Windows 11. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips, troubleshooting guides, and easy tech tutorials.